This video explains the setup process to connect the FC6A Plus and SX8R using Ethernet IP communication. FC6A Plus, EtherNet IP scanner, master station, SX8R bus coupler module, and FC6A I/O modules. EtherNet IP adapter, slave station. The system configuration for the Ethernet IP adapter is the SX8R bus coupler module and 4 I/O modules. After checking and confirming the positioning and alignment, firmly connect the units. If the stopper is raised, push it into place. The remaining I/O modules can be attached in the same way. Connect a LAN cable to Ethernet port 2 on the PLC and Ethernet port 1 on the SX8R. Next, set up the SX8R and each of the I/O modules. Launch the SX8R configurator program. Connect the SX8R to a PC with a LAN cable. Click on the Read Module Configuration button to view the current system configuration, the SX8R and the I/O modules. Click on the I/O module you want to set up, and a dialog box will open. From the Settings dialog box for analog input modules, you can set the signal type and data format for each channel. Analog channel 0, AI0. Set the signal type to 4 to 20 mA DC and the data format to binary data. Analog channel 1, AI1. Set the signal type to 0 to 10 VDC and the data format to binary data. Analog channel 2, AI2. Set to type K, thermocouple. Analog channel 3, AI3. Set to PT100. If the data format is set to Celsius, the appropriate values will be calculated automatically. Click the OK button to finish. The same settings are available for the analog output modules. Next, select communication settings for the SX8R. Give the SX8R remote I/O system a name. Set the communication mode for Ethernet port 1 to Ethernet IP adapter. Choose a download password and an upload password. Confirm the network address is set for the Ethernet IP adapter. Ethernet IP shared memory is automatically assigned to each device address for the SX8R. Download this setting data to the SX8R unit. When the download is completed successfully, a confirmation dialog box will appear. Click OK to continue. Next, set up the connected PLC as the Ethernet IP scanner. Launch the WinLDR program. Connect the FC6A Plus to a PC with a LAN cable. Select Ethernet port 2 from the Configuration Settings menu to access Ethernet IP settings. Check the Enable Ethernet IP box and click Configure to open the dialog box. Set Ethernet IP communication to turn on automatically. Download the SX8R EDS file from the IDEC website. Import it to WinLDR and add it to the scan list. In the Target Setting tab, set the SX8R Ethernet IP adapter node name and IP address. In the CIP connection setting tab, set the main address for the control register, D0000. Confirm the Ethernet IP shared memory assigned in SX8R configurator and set the main in-out device and data size. Click OK to complete the Ethernet IP communication settings for Ethernet port 2. Data from analog input channel 2 connected to the SX8R is assigned to D0106, address value. The ladder program converts D0106 to D0500s. Download these communication settings and the ladder program for confirming operation to the FC6A+. These are the device address allocations between the SX8R Ethernet IP adapter and the FC6A Ethernet IP scanner. You can confirm the temperature from the thermocouple connected to analog input channel 2, D0044, using the FC6A CPU data register, D0106 equals D0500. Click on an I/O module to enable channel monitoring for that module. Click on Monitor to begin monitoring. The on-off status and current values for each module can be confirmed while monitoring. For example, here you can see that the temperature measurement from the thermocouple is 19.2 degrees. Open WinLDR to confirm module operation on the corresponding monitoring screen. The FC6A+ and the PC need to be connected with a LAN cable in Ethernet port 1. The PLC's operational status can be viewed from the ladder program monitoring screen. Here, the data register, D0106, is being viewed from the WinLDR batch monitoring screen. Note, SX8R configurator and WinLDR are running at the same time. The data from analog input channel 2, D0044, connected to the SX8R is assigned to D0106 on the FC6A CPU side for Ethernet IP communication. This data is configured for D0106, D0500. Here, analog input channel data, AI2, is being viewed from the SX8R configurator monitoring screen. Note, SX8R configurator and WinLDR are running at the same time. You can confirm that the remote I/O's analog input data, AI2, is being imported to the FC6A+, D0106. Note, SX8R configurator and WinLDR are running at the same time.